Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to draw a frangipani flower. And just a quick fun fact about this flower is that the flowers are most fragrant at night to attract moths for pollination. There we go. The other name for this flower is plumeria. Okay, how to draw a frangipani. Step 1. Draw the flower petals all around, and then step 2, do the shading of the inside of the flower. Step 3, draw the flower with the stem or the branch. So these ones are like branches, so try and make them more rougher. Step 4, you can also just make it your own. I drew another flower to make it kind of look like they are joined together, and just add branches, whatever you like, and then you're done. Easy as that. Here's an example of how my little one turned out, so maybe yours will also turn out like this. Also, you can make your petals a bit rounder. I think I might have made mine a tiny bit too pointy, but I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.